Want to stop reform winning in Wales? Then you need to listen to this. The poll suggests that this May's election is on a knife edge between Plaid Cymru and reform. That means if progressive voters split, reform could win. That would be catastrophic for Wales. Nigel Farage has repeatedly said that he wants to privatise the NHS. Their big plan on the economy is to reopen the coal mines with no regard for the environment, people's health or the economic needs of Wales. And they've pledged to scrap Welsh language targets. Plaid Cymru is a party rooted in fairness, backed by people power. And it's the people of Wales that we serve. And that is why we support a wealth tax, because billionaires shouldn't be getting richer while families struggle to heat their homes or put food on the table. And that's why we have a plan to tackle child poverty, because it's a disgrace that a third of children in Wales are growing up in poverty. And that's why we stand up for what Wales is owed. From the billions from HS2 to control over the Crown Estate, our communities should benefit from the wealth they created, not Westminster. So reform may claim to be the party of working people. But who funds them? Billionaires. And that's exactly who they serve. They've already pledged to cut taxes for the ultra-wealthy, weaken workers' and renters' rights, cut the minimum wage for young people. They couldn't care less about working people. The only way to stop reform is to unite and back Plaid Cymru on the 7th of May. So, are you with us?